good night, good evening. It's Klassix. It's the inaugural one. YouTube. We got a special treat for you today. I'm wetting the hair up to get it prepped, and I'm gonna start to comb it to control it. That wetness is gonna detangle it while I'm combing it. But like I said, this is a special treat today because it's my very first. It's our very first. We're gonna groom this thing together. I'm gonna show y'all how I pick this Mohawk out. Speed it up a little bit, but stay away from the scalp. So we're picking the hair. I'm picking away from the scalp so I don't poke his head. So my 2-week client, he comes out, but y'all want to stay tuned to this one. This one's gonna come out pretty clean. Trust me, stay right there. Alright, we back. As you can see, I got my Slimline Pros. I'm creating an arch or a C-shaped guideline where I want my fade to kind of start and begin. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit, but I'm cleaning the area up. Let's see how we make that area completely. That's the bald area. It's the area where I'm going to start my fade. First guideline is set. Now we hit to the flip side. The graphic is going to go right there. Notice that I started the guideline a little bit lower than I did on the opposite side. I'm only doing that because on this side is where the design, or I call the graphic, will go. Do exactly what I did on the other side, clean it up, but the fade will start a little bit lower because kind of midway through the haircut, I'm gonna know what I probably want to do to this side, and as that, I'm gonna finish cleaning it up, and then we'll get ready to flip back to the flip side. Start that fade over right here. So what I'm doing now is got the wall senior completely open with the one guard. And I'm going on a brushing pattern with the grain so that I can make the hair flat before I start the fade. And it'll make for a clean transition as I start to fade. Open. I'm attacking the bottom part of that guideline. If the guideline was an inch long, the second guideline would be a half of that. So we steady attacking the bottom portion of that guideline. Comb a little bit, cut a little bit, comb a little bit. Staying consistent with the guideline. Here you're gonna be playing with your lever, whatever your clipper is, you're working on that bottom guideline. I'm using right now the Wall Seniors workhorse of a clipper, and it's kind of just knocking that bottom guideline away. It's already zero gap, it's lowered. Just keeping on knocking at those dark spots. That I've utilized the clipper with no guard, I threw the one guard on, and it is completely open. I'm controlling the process. I have the one guard open. I'm attacking that second guideline, and at this point, you'll start to see the fade meet. Whatever height your Mohawk is, they'll start meeting each other. So in my case, you got the one going into maybe, let's say, a 4, That one is helping blend in that dark space in between the mohawk and the skin fade. As you can see now, we're doing clipper over comb, just optimizing that space in between the mohawk and the fading space. I'm raking down a little bit there. I'll flip it back over, do some more clipper over comb work, but we're just trying to make that transition space as smooth as possible. Kind of slowed it down and gonna switch it back up a little bit. But remember, combing is controlling. Keep combing, keep controlling, keep switching back and forth in between the lever, just keeping that fade space clean. The hair all cleaned up. Take my Babyliss F880s, which are great clippers as well. Do a little corner work. Makes the fade a lot more blurry. Knocking out any little accents, any extra stuff on the inside. These clippers will get it all the way done. Slowed it down again so I can show you where I was shaping the mohawk into its point. Because we got the fade all nice and flush, so we're just trying to flush that top side in with it, where there's not a whole lot of blemishes or discrepancies, if you will, in that fade. We're just gonna keep pulling some hair out until everything is flat, flat, flat. That's the key. We want them super, super flat. We want all the blemishes out of the fade. We're just gonna keep going. And clean, spin them around. And just because I walked you through that process before, speed up the process a little bit. Everything you just saw me do in this video, we'll time lapse our way into a sensational fade on the left side of the head where the graphic is designated to go. So enjoy. Now you see the fade coming together. I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup work left. Then we take the back of the mohawk, take the Slimline Pros, not too sharp, clean the back of that neck up and create that V-like shape that people like on their mohawks. Do all that cleanup work with the dramatic fade and it all starts to come together. You leave those crispy lines on there, clean that fade up. You'll see more trimmers and combs, clippers over comb, but we're just shaping it up and speed it up and kind of knock it out. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. We're gonna blaze through this edge. We'll blaze through the design. I'm gonna show it to you, but I wanted to save something for episode 2. This is definitely episode 1. It's our first go around. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. And remember all your tips. Combing is controlling. Stay consistent. Keep doing the same thing all the way through them fades so they come out easy, even, and nice. Right now I'm just doing a little arrow design to the back. I'm speeding through it, putting a little kiss color in there to make it pop. But y'all been great. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Let's build together, man. It's Klassix Barbering Coach.